there, I'm Sandra Osorio, your trusted real estate agent, and I'm excited to introduce to you a powerful tool that could change the way you think about your home's value. Whether you're thinking about selling your home or just curious about how much your home is worth, my home valuation tool gives you an instant and accurate insight, and it takes into account real-time market trends, recent sales in your area, and specific details about how your home can get a better value. The best part is super easy. You just have to enter your address, answer a few questions about your home, and voila, you get a detailed report within your home's estimated value and more. And if you ever need a more in-depth analysis, I'm just a phone call away. I'm here to help you understand the market and make the best decisions for your future. Ready to find out what your home is worth? Enter your address here and try the tool now, and let's start planning your next move together.